Pepper them. That is Chioma peppering them. It's Mama Ifi or Mama Ifeanyi, according to Davido, showing off what her supposed husband Davido is missing. Davido, see what you are missing from Chioma. Chioma, my love. Oh, see what you are missing right now. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. You are humbly welcome to Junglist Entertainment. Here we give you hot gist of everything that is happening in Nigeria and Africa and the world at large. Please do it to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like, so as to stay updated with the time. Talking about love stories, love is a beautiful thing. According to the bunch, love is a beautiful thing. Talking about love stories, it's been a while since Beyonce and her husband Jay-Z made a luxury purchase and said the social media a boss, and the power couple just did that. Guess what? The top husband and wife splashed over 11 billion naira. 11 billion naira. Not million, please. Billion naira on a boat Rolls Royce, which currently ranks as the world's most expensive automobile. 11 billion naira on one car. They are a power couple indeed. That is huge. This Rolls Royce thing has been trending in celebrities. The celebrities' garages have been packed with Rolls Royces. Davido showed us his own Rolls Royce recently, and we also saw pictures of Burna Boy's Rolls Royce. And Dancia came up to say she has her own Rolls Royce too. That her Rolls Royce is better off than Davido's Rolls Royce and Burna Boy's Rolls Royce. That her Rolls Royce is gold plated. And we've seen another Rolls Royce from the power couple, the most expensive ever, which is 11 billion naira. And in dollars, that is about $28 million. 11 billion naira is about $28 million. So you can see how our exchange rate is going. This is dollar, this is naira. You can't really see the naira right now. That is what we are going through in this country. There's this video that has been trending of our own very singer, Kiss Daniels. He was on daddy's duty with his twins, Jelani and Jaleel. Still talking about the entertainment industry, the music industry, Rema just showed us his 11 million naira VVS grill. 11 million naira VVS grill. Well, people might be, let me tell you what this grill means. This VVS grill means before we start talking about, before we start telling you what other people have been saying regarding this. Technically speaking, VVS stands for very, very slightly included. That means a very, very slightly included diamond only has a tiny number of microscopic inclusions that are difficult to see under 10x magnification. The category is subdivided into VVS1 and VVS2, which are the third and fourth best clarity grades. So we know what VVS grills means now, that very, very slightly included, as in diamond was included, but very, very slightly. We know diamonds are expensive. That's why this guy spent 11 million naira on his VVS grills. That is money. That is money. And with this, people might ask, who has the most expensive grill in the world? Guess what? The person who wore the most expensive grills may come as a surprise. It's not a he, but a she. She's not even a rapper. Katy Perry. She wore a grill made of diamonds and precious gemstones worth a ridiculous $1 million. $1 million. And Guinness World Records confirm it's the most expensive grill ever made. $1 million. Regarding the 11 million naira VVS grill that Rema shows off, people have been dropping in comments. Someone says most of the people saying congratulations don't even know what they are even referring to. And that is true. Some people don't know what VVS grill means. They are just congratulating Rema. Other people are saying, South Joy drops a message and my life savings now 54,000 naira. In life savings now 54,000 naira. And Rema use 11 million naira buy VVS grill. The person say, well, it is well, even inside well. Another one dropped a message. He said, another hard kid out there, congratulations to him. He is congratulating Rema for his 11 million naira grill. what your thoughts anyway. Don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section below. There's this thing that was trending regarding one of the hottest YouTuber in Nigeria, Emmanuela. People drop messages that Emmanuela is pregnant. There was this rumor that has been spreading around the country that Emmanuela is pregnant. Official Emolac dropped a message that I can't see the beleo. Emmanuela replied to official Emolac that I am not pregnant, as you can see. That must have been a rumor if you heard so. Emmanuela has confirmed that she is not pregnant. So if you hear or if you've heard anywhere that Emmanuela is pregnant, we've heard it from the horse's mouth. She has said she is not pregnant. We've said a lot about our beloved country, Nigeria. Let's move on to Africa. Tanzanian female MP thrown out from parliament for wearing tight trousers. A Tanzanian female member of parliament, Condesta Sikwale, was on Tuesday, June 1st, 2021, thrown out of the parliament by the Speaker of the House for wearing a tight trousers. Sikwale was kicked out after a male colleague, Hussein Amar, complained about over her mode of dressing. In a viral video, Amar could be heard speaking against his colleague, noting that the parliament was a mirror of society, hence there needed to be a good example. Parliament is a mirror of society and Tanzania, and some of our sisters are wearing strange clothes and are legislators. What are they showing to the society? He said. When the speaker asked that he names the person he was referring to, the MP pointed in the direction of her outfit, but did not mention her name. Ndugai politely asked the female MP to quietly leave and dress properly to be allowed back in parliament. This happened in Tanzania, that she was putting on a tight trouser and she was sent home to go and change up. Well, we've heard it from Tanzania. What are your thoughts on that anyway? Don't forget to drop a comment below. Also in Nigeria, there's this thing that happened recently. We just got up this morning and heard this good news. Yeah, it's actually good news. The Oyo State Governor, Seyi Makinde, has slashed the school fees of students for LAUTECH by 25%. In other words, if your school fees is 100,000 naira, now you'll be paying 75,000 naira. That is good news anywhere. Talking about our beloved country, Nigeria, there's this guy, Daddy Freeze, that has been causing controversies here and there. Daddy Freeze reacts as man challenges him to heal a madman in Lucifer's name. The controversial broadcaster in one of his teachings had stated that praying in the name of Lucifer is more potent than praying in the name of Jesus. Freeze, who has always held his stance against the use of the name Jesus, gave the reason for his statement, saying the name Jesus has no meaning in neither Hebrew, Arabic, Greek, Latin, nor English, whereas the name Lucifer, which means light brighter, has more meaning. Someone challenging to use the name Lucifer to heal a madman, since the name Jesus is not potent enough. Well, according to the follower wrote, let me read what the follower said to you. He said, "Sir, I challenge you to a test. Let's pick a random madman on the street. Pray in the name of Lucifer. I will pray in the name of Jesus Christ. Let's see at the mention of who they get delivered. I dare you, sir. This will end this rubbish you keep spitting out." Responding to this man's challenge, Daddy Freeze lashed out at him, saying, "I think that the first madman that needs prayer is you. So let me pray for you to be delivered from benignness and unscholarly religious slavery, which is the highest form of slavery." Well, we've heard it from the desk of Daddy Freeze. What about from your own desk? Don't forget to drop your comment below. This Daddy Freeze is taking things to the extreme. What are your thoughts anyway? Don't forget to drop your comment below. Everybody has something to say. Are you in support of what Daddy Freeze said? Well, don't forget to drop your comment below. Then in the United States of America, someone dropped a message. Peter Thomas, he said, fake butts, fake hair, fake tits, fake eyebrows, fake lashes, fake eyes, fake friends, fake nails, but want a real man. That is what we've been saying. Everything is fake, 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 fake. But women are out there looking for real men. But everything they have on them is fake. Fake eyelashes, fake Fake, 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 fake. And recently, we know Bobrisky went for surgery. He went to do butt enlargement. Bobrisky was created as a man. He said, no, he doesn't want to be a man. He switched into the female gender. And he has gone for surgery to enlarge the size of his butt. We'll keep you updated anyway. He showed a video. He gave us a video of when he was at the theater. And people have been dropping in messages that we hope Bobrisky is still alive. We'll give you updates on that. You know, these females, they have this thing. They want everything fake, fake, fake. As we've heard from the desk of Mr. Peter Thompson. And Bobrisky has joined the female gender. What are your thoughts on that? Don't forget to drop your comment below. Thank you very much for watching Juggins Entertainment. We hope you're entertained. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, the bell, and also the like so as to stay updated all the time. Take care of yourself. Have a lovely day.